In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks Online for your business. By the end, you'll be ready to create your account, pick the right plan, and start using the tools that keep your books clean and organized. First, head to the official QuickBooks Online website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection in your browser and the correct web address. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures your information stays safe. Next, choose the plan that fits your needs. Think about how many users you'll have, whether you need bill management or time tracking, and whether inventory or budgeting features matter to you. If you're unsure, start with what covers your immediate needs. You can upgrade later as your business grows. When you're ready, click either Buy Now or Start Free Trial. The trial option lets you explore the features before you commit. Just note that trials often convert to a paid subscription automatically unless you cancel. So it's smart to mark your calendar with the trial end date. You'll then enter your email, create a password, and provide your business details. Use an email you check regularly because you may need to verify it and you'll receive important notifications there. Choose a strong password with a mix of characters and keep it unique to your QuickBooks account for better security. For the business details, accuracy matters. Your legal name, address, and industry will help QuickBooks tailor your setup. If prompted, complete the registration with payment information. This might be required even for a trial, depending on the offer. Ensure your billing details are correct and review the pricing terms so there are no surprises later. You can also look for any available introductory discounts before you finalize. After your account is created, set up your company profile and preferences. Enter your company name as you want it to appear on invoices, upload your logo for a professional touch, and choose your industry so QuickBooks can suggest an appropriate chart of accounts. Set your fiscal year, currency, and time zone, and turn on features like sales tax and invoicing if you plan to use them. If you'll have teammates, take a moment to review user roles so each person has the right level of access. Finally, start using QuickBooks Online. Explore the dashboard, follow any guided prompts, and try creating a sample invoice or expense to get comfortable. You can connect your bank later to automate transactions and visit the help center whenever you need quick answers. Save your changes as you go, and you're all set to keep your financials on track.